How to find PIN number on Android phone. Hello everybody. If you guys have forgotten your previously set PIN number and if you want to find it, in today's video we will be finding if it is possible or not. So what you may do is when you head over to your settings and once you open up your settings, go over to the option called lock screen. There you'll be finding different options for lock. So you can look out for screen lock, PIN, face, fingerprints, etc. So if you have set finger pin on your screen, you can look out for the pin that you've added, but usually we do not find it. So if you cannot find a previously set pin number on your Android phone, if you have forgotten it, you will need to reset your phone. So the only way that is possible, as I said, is resetting your phone. For that, you can perform a factory reset. Head over to settings for that. Go to your search and you can search for reset and then look out for factory reset within the options. Tap on factory data reset and go ahead and reset your whole device. In that way, you can basically go ahead and when you open up your device again, you will be finding option to reset your pin and you can just go ahead and remember it after you do so. As I said, for security reason, Android encrypts the lock screen pin and it's not stored in a retrievable location. You can even perform a hard reset. For that, long press on your power and volume button and your phone will reboot and you can perform a factory reset that way as well. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.